Cheerwing Syma X5SW-V3 FPV Explorers2 2.4Ghz 4CH 6-axis Gyro RC Headless Quadcopter Drone UFO with HD Wi-Fi camera. White. This fits your. Enter your model number to make sure this fits. Headless IOC function. Usually, the forward direction of a flying multi-rotor is the same as the nose direction. By using headless IOC, the forward direction has nothing to do with nose direction. This lessens the steepness of the learning curve and allows the pilot to enjoy flight while slowly learning each specific orientation of the quadcopter. Equipped with the latest 6-axis flight control systems, 3D lock, more scheduled flight, operating more to the force. Equipped with HD camera to take photos and videos while flying. Bring a new perspective to your photos and videos from the air. Wi-Fi FPV allows you to view photos and video while flying. It supports any iOS and Android phones. The cell phone holder keeps your phone secure all the time. 1 key 360 degrees roll, continuous roll for perfect action and wonderful performance. Amazing. First time ever flying a drone and this thing is great. I crashed this drone so many times and all it wants to do is keep flying. Crashed it into my house, garage, stuck in trees, stuck in power lines. Still works amazing. I will break blades when I crash hard and maybe snap a landing gear, but it comes with replacement parts and spare parts are dirt cheap. Flying this drone at night is also amazing. The LED lights on the bottom make for all day and night fun. Just remember, red is front and blue is back. Camera is fun, not amazing quality, but hey, it's only $50. Easy to set up and use. I bought upgraded batteries so I could fly for longer. If you buy the drone, I suggest you buy extra parts in case you crash and also extra batteries with a 5-battery charging system at once. Have fun. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.